I'm testing out the new MOTOVLOG setup. I got a new helmet, Sedici Sistema 2. Got the mic set up right there. GoPro attachment with the mic going up to the back right there. So we're gonna do a test on it. KTG 612. Hit that like and subscribe.
What up everyone, it's KTG 612, just riding around. I'm still testing out the vlog setup. It's hard when you get a new helmet and when the old one was working perfectly as far as the vlog setup. I just wanted something new. So now we're dealing with technical difficulties. So hopefully this video makes it out, because if it does, that means we got everything sorted. Pancakes and French toast. Because you know, with a new helmet, everything is different. The aerodynamics, even where I had to mount the GoPro, it's different. So you have to find the flat surface. So we're working it out. And I've been in like a crappy mood because I haven't been able to get this figured out. I need this. So now I like ride around after work making videos, and it's not really about anything, just trying to get the vlog set up right. And then I'll go home and I watch it. I'm like, I'll have to do it again the next day because I can only have so much time. Like, it's already getting late, but this is a little bit of time that I had to go out and do my tests. That's a nice playground, nice basketball court. Really, I just want to make sure you can hear me while I'm riding, and if we can get that to work, then it sounds like Donkey Kong. It was forecasted to rain, but I don't think it did. It sucks because I could have rode to work. No, actually I couldn't, darn it. But anyways, I'm not even mad at you, weatherman. I'm not even mad. You're wrong all the time. I've come to accept that.
Subscribe right now. Give a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bells right now.
Testing part 2 with face vent up. It was open because I needed it, because my breath was hot. I think everything should still be good. I got the pop filter on, so hypothetically it should still sound as good as it has right now, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh yeah, it read me. I'm a person today. Oh yeah, that was fun. Alright, let's see what kind of wind noise we can create while we talk. I can hear some whistling and distilling. Alright, that was a quick highway run. Hopefully that sounded amazing. Hopefully that sounded amazing. Grace. Amazing Grace. Alright, let's go check it out now and test it out and edit a video. One headlight. It's a rider. Oh yeah, it's getting a little cold. Contemplating whether I should wear a hoodie or not. I didn't think it was going to be out this long. But you know how that goes. When you start riding, you get carried away. So nimble. I really hope this works, please, because if it does, then I'm set. We're back on. I'm pumping out these videos like crazy. Like 4 of them already this month. It's like about halfway through the month, and hopefully I'm putting out quality content, not just like rushing them out. It's getting better because once I can get this, I had a whole bunch of stuff going. All right, thank you. We can both turn into our own lanes. Just saying. So now, if everything goes right. Alright, fogging up the window. So I gotta open up that bottom vent. Let that air in. It might work, it might work. Work it out, cause you gotta work it out. See if I can make it. Can I do it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Damn, Crocs all up in the way. Crocs get up in the way. Let me move that Croc all up in my way. I'ma move that Crocs. And this will CBR a 929. Oh yeah, that thing is awesome too. If you know how to ride, you would be so cool on a 929. Oh yeah. Stay safe, stay clean.
How can I be able to see you?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I'm ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails on.
Look for me. You about to be on there.